Here's a set of adult pads. Just as a reminder, pediatric pads are sold separately. Pediatric pads are used for anyone 8 years or younger or 55 pounds or less. Finally, here's your battery pack. It is important to note the expiration date for both the battery pack and the pads. The Lifeline View has a 4-year battery pack. The expiration date can be found here. AED pads expire every 2 years. The expiration date can be found here. Now we're going to show you how to attach your pads and insert your battery. It is important to remember to always attach your pads prior to inserting your battery. Once the pads are attached, you can insert the battery. Make sure you have the label facing up.
Performing battery test. Battery OK. Powering off.
After the device performs its battery test, take note of the active status indicator light. It should be flashing green every few seconds. A great feature on the Defibtech Lifeline View is the one-touch status screen. This is an easy way to ensure that your battery and pads are ready to go and will be able to help save a life.